Yeah, good evening. And how are you this today? Today is a Sunday, and yesterday we were at least to focus on hope you can see me. Yesterday we were to have our Zoom session, but unfortunately couldn't have, so we postponed to today because I wasn't yesterday I was very tired and I'm a bit having a cough and also sore throat and so I'll try my best I can. Yeah, so I want to do a recap. Mostly from what we did last week, and also now showing the results which we inspected last week, the analysis which I gave, and also we are good looking at the weekly forecast, what we are doing. So as you can see, if I click here December, so let's start on Tuesday, on Monday, on 25th December, and no, not 25th November, right? It's November 25th till on Friday. So we did well. This was B100, which we inspected at least either a sell on a breakout. I didn't reach support, so that's what we did at 1379 only. It retested 1382. That's forming the high, going to touch the previous high because the price was very, very bullish. So you're looking at least to break this low so that now we can take on sales and more confirmation on the change of character with the body kind of close below this. But the previous one was a good buy. Okay. But what inspected update on V100, if I look on the previous week, it's buys which took place. Can you see here buys? It will be patient. Price reaches the zone at 1320. Okay, 1320 was around here. The price to reach, we are looking at 1320 here, and then we push for a buy. But unfortunately, that is the buys came around this area between 1360 and 1406 on volatility 100. Okay, the buys, it all depends with price. So let's be patient, and you're looking on sales. So, and the next one, this was 2 minutes time frame. So we focused also on V75. Price was a bit bullish on the lower time frame, H4 and then H1 onwards to looking more bullish and coming all the way to this level. That's what we are seeking. That was on Monday. Okay. Now we're looking for buys till that zone where we wait for price to retest on H1 and 15 to be super bullish if it breaks 87.47. This was the 87.47 mark, which was the previous high, which is a swing high. All right. If it breaks that on H4, it means the price will be very, very bullish. So another thing, so what we saw is as we go further, um, this was 4 hour time frame, and this is a buy setup which we saw. As you can see, we are looking for bullish confirmation setup. All right. So we are risking. I shared a trade update, but not yet an entry. Okay. We're looking at the bullish scenario because V75 sometimes it goes like haywire. We can look like super bullish, but automatically reverse like 1,000 pips. All right. So set up for a buys. So unfortunately now the price went under a drawdown, but we are not in yet. Okay, it was a drawdown and then went back to entry, and of course we missed the buy entry, which at 82, the best buy entry was around here, this area. But now I wasn't online, and this usually doesn't have a notification on TradingView for under Deriv. So this happened an hour ago, so we already missed it. Yes, no problem. Market trash, it's good. Yes, we escaped the loss because right now, what did it do? It dumped the price like this above here. This you see a change of character here at the top, whereby the price with a bonded candle close. This was a bullish candle close, and then a bullish kind of a view. All right, bullish candle on the 4 hour time frame. And then now, when it closes above the previous high, you see now a bearish kind of, as you can see here, this one, you see a bear candle coming all the way back and breaking the previous high, all right? So with that confirmed by the bearish engulfing candle, you see this candle is a bearish engulfing candle, so it means more sales were in place, all right? more sales were in place. So we had to, let me put this, all right. So market did a rush. If you rush into the market because you're not patient for the price to come to you, you end up in a drawdown. So because we are waiting on this, at least a breakout above here, something like this, if I can share, we are waiting for, here was a setup, and I mean, it was kind of a support, all right. The price came around, tapping into that support, going high, all right, forming a breaker high, all right, and then breaking the previous low, all right, and then coming all the way down, which this one was our entry if you are taking a buy, because automatically what the price did, it went on, it reversed, as you can see here, it reversed to this higher level, right? So what you are looking into, because we were looking at, I was looking at this price. If it doesn't come back, we are looking on the price to break, all right? Um, the price to break, all right, like that, and then retests, and then what? Confirmation for a buy. But what did the price do? So the price went vice versa by opening at least a change of character, all right, which was this a bullish candle, change of character with a bearish candle, and the bearish engulfing here. So it automatically clarifies to be sells, all right. So with that, you see the price dumping all the way to this level. So that's why you have to be patient. You have to be patient. All right. So we waited on the 15-minute candle. So we checked on this, and we're looking also for buys upon breakout. This was H4 on daily. We are looking at if the price can come and form a W, which is at like a triple top, triple bottom, and then coming on the forming high, it will be good. But if it sells, as I said, it's break and retest to the downside. So coming all the way, that is we are on 25th, which was when 25th, still on Monday, and we were looking for this. So it went very low. I can see sales confirmed pretty well, and then I took some sales here. I think, did I take some sales? Took some sales. Yes, it was here. I just took because I wanted for a buy, so I risk low. All right, this is just a picture showing you on how it went. All right, I took a sell because what the price do? The price went haywire by what? By dumping the price. Can you see what happened here is, you can see this was the support, all right? And what the price did, we had a breakout, all right? We had a breakout to the downside, as you can see. Let me put some red. We had a breakout like this, and then I can see what did it do? It went all the way higher, all right, for a retest on this level, all right? So this was a sell candle. This was sell candle, and what you can see is automatically it went like that. So with this one, this projected it was more on the sales. It was more on the sales. So that's why the price dumped all the way to the support, which was the bullish order block, the order block which is raised here. And automatically, as you can see, somewhere around here, we had a fair value gap which was formed. We had a fair value gap which was formed at the lower time frame. So it came to retest and dumped the price. All right. Okay, now moving forward. So that's how V75 worked. Being patient, and then I closed everything at the down. So the next setup we were looking on V25. We were looking super like at least the price to confirm on the downtrend, This was the structure for the double top, head and shoulder, and then breakout and retest on the neckline. All right. So you're looking at least rejection phase. If it doesn't do that, you don't trade. That's it. That's the rule of the game. Okay. So this was the support which we are looking at, and we were looking. So far, like from Monday, I did one which I didn't share the signal, yes, because it was we were looking on bullish and bullish flow. All right. So setup on V25, we are looking on somewhere at least this. If it breaks out going to this rejection phase, we are looking at a counter trend for a buy, and then now we dump the price going for long-term sales. So this is what a counter trend is: a trend within a trend between the real trend. Okay, it's called a counter trend. So books all sales on V75 years. We had our Tuesday usual meeting. We had our Monday, which was progress, I think on Monday, yes. We had a Tuesday recap and you have a Wednesday meeting. Eh? So we focused on all this. We focused on setups for the what we are looking at. This was V70, V25. You see, V25 went for buy. We are looking for long-term sales after rejection from a resistance. Okay, so the counter trend was scalp. Okay, so we looked at this. So it confirmed very well by breaking. Okay, so if it breaks, what do I look? What do I look? It's a retest to that zone. If it doesn't retest well, it can go. All right, always be patient. To get the short-term scalp on a counter trend, wait for a retest on that breakout, then bullish engulfing on M15 or M30 candle, then buy. Counter trend is always a type of trade involves betting against the current market trend, aiming to profit from a potential reversal. That's what I said. So if it doesn't retest, don't bother. Wait patiently for long-term sell swing. So we are looking for sales. So we had our Wednesday usual Zoom, and it went well. And we are looking for the sales. Unfortunately, we kept holding. You see, we had short and buy. If I said we can sell this, but risk very low. Okay, risk very low because it can come. It's V7. It's synthetics. Sometimes they don't follow the proper way of market. Okay, the global market on how they do price. So highs and lows will be created. The price is gonna be dumped. Okay. Now, what we saw here, this was V75 setup. We are looking on the sales, and it was good. It was good. The person who got these sales, I did get in. So this was Wednesday. So the V75 is the only one, but the public no setup yet. But if you took, well and good. Others you didn't take, but I shared to a person also who took V75 sell. Okay. This was 26th November, which was on 26th was on Tuesday. Okay, yeah. V75 we wanted to take this sell because it was a good one, but now here was a small risk, but when it breaks the lows on the daily, okay, on the daily, it was more for a good sell confirmation. So we risk small, whereby the entry was this, sell on 43 pips. Small risks, maybe if you are risking maybe even up to, if you have $100 for risk, maybe 5, 10, depends with you. Yeah, if it's $5, well and good because it doesn't affect your account. What I can say, if a part of person having $500 account or $1,000 account, just risk small depending on your appetite. So what we saw is V25. This was a second because we saw this small risk. And then we added a sell here. It was supposed to break because it did that is we had a doji, which was a retest on breaking the change of character level here. And then we saw a sell kind of forming, and we are selling this, and then more sells below this area of 2140. So we added more sell confirming on V25. So I took V75, yes, we have sells. V25, we had sells. TP1 hit on V75 because it went such as here. I think it was here. Where was it? I think it was here somewhere. Where was it? Maybe 75 first entry. TP1 was 79,608, which was 70 pips, huh? Which was 70 pips. So yeah, so I think we had an entry here. Okay. My entry was a bit here. So went low, hit TP1, then reversed. So here I forgot because I risked small. I forgot it was about 0.1 because the risk was small until it breaks out this low. So it went and hit my stop loss. It reversed quickly. I saw it earlier, which was kind of here. I think it was this area. Where was it? H1 on that, 81, 934. I believe it was 81, 81, 134, 81. Yeah. 81, 134, somewhere here. 81, 134, somewhere here. Okay, so it was here. I can't remember when. Anyway, we have 24th November. So this trade was when was it? Yeah, it was on Wednesday, 27th. Wednesday, 27th. Wednesday, 27th. Yeah, around here. Wednesday, 27th. Okay, UTC plus 3. So let me change. Not UTC plus 3. Nairobi. Yeah. So it was 23rd, 27th. I think it was around somewhere here, somewhere here. So it went low, then went high, hit the stop loss, dumped the price. Anyway, let's go further. So let's see. Still holding on V25. So we are looking on sales here. We're looking on the lows, stemming the lows. But unfortunately, I said highs and lows will be created. Okay. So what he did, you had a drawdown. A drawdown from 2152 to 2176, which was our stop loss. Unfortunately, the price broke fair value gap, which was V25. It broke, and we had our loss for the week. Loss for the week hits, and then we said we accept the loss, we wait, price heading to new within fair value zone, and before falling fair value gap, I said what about it? Anyway, we accepted. So the first loss was V25, that is the index, right? So V75, I was looking on a sell setup. It is a sell setup. Yeah, stop, cells, and all these. So this was on where was it? 27th. 27th, which was on Wednesday. All right. So we are looking on a sell setup. So H1 time frame setup, sell loading, entry on M15 time frame. Price action strategy. So price tapped on the previous psychological support, which was here. All right. And now resistance, price rejected, retested, and now we wait for bearish engulfing candle on M15. Those are looking at retested, okay, broke the low, retested by those candle kind of a doji or indecision in the market, kind of that. Then you're looking on the sells until breaking this previous low on this side, then coming here, retests low. So that's what we are looking at. So what did we see? What did we see? B75. So price on B75 hasn't yet dropped for the bear move, breaking previous high on M15 as I see. So if you have made entry, hold. If you haven't, don't. Okay, so we saw this kind of a rejection. No, this is a confirmed retest, confirmed support. Update on V75. What did it do? It broke and killed our stop loss. So we had our other loss on that. Whereby we had a loss of when was it? That is 81, 462 to 82, 371. So 462, it's about 400, 540 plus 300, 440 plus. 300, so it's about 70 pips, 70 pips top loss. 770, like it's about 700 pips, 7,000 points. In the normal analysis is 70 pips. Okay, so we lost this 25, B25 is 75. That's all a loss up to Wednesday. So price update on that, we have understood. 2-hour time frame. This was V75. We said we were looking on something, VIT25 index analysis on daily time frame, looking for price breakout, highs and lows. So you're looking at breakout, and mostly I'm looking on these highs created, okay? So if it comes here, we're looking for sells. I was looking at much on the sells on here. So we had our kill V25 analysis on the higher time frame. So we reached the retest level, this area, okay? These are price range whereby we have consolidation because the price has broken, has entered from the first phase of trend market to a consolidated market. Then we are looking at least breaking the high, retesting on this zone, or breaking out, or coming here and breaking these lows. So we're looking on step 100 also, B25 was shared. Step 100, you're looking on break of change of character here to the top side or to the swing high, or breaking low, which is breaking the structure itself, and then reversing. So that was step 100. Previous, we did our Saturday. This was on November 20. Oh, Thursday, we had our session. No, Wednesday. This was recording for Wednesday, shared on Thursday. So step 100 did a good buy. Okay, it did well. Can you see that? Your change of character. Retest, buy. All right. It was a good trend where you can buy, and it's a day trade. Yeah, because what did it do? Nice move. Retested the change of character. You know, the price here, candle close. When I say the price, you wait for the price with the candle close buy above the change of character, whereby it's breaking the high. So a candle close is this one, which is a buy. All right. Candle close is these. Oh, sorry. No. We are looking on him. We're looking on this one. Okay. We are looking on this. Change to black. So these are candle close above the change of character. Then a retest, which is a good buy to this area of support. Okay. So area of that's a resistance, I mean. Okay. Now with that, you see the price now converting. This was a good place where you can do scalp. It was a good scalp all the way from 82.70 to 82.82. Just about a rerun, just about 12 pips. Yeah, 120 points. It was a good one. So it was a good one, nice move. Now what we are looking is V100 sell. The entry was 14.22. This was a sell from Thursday. We had a swing trade from Thursday. So we waited, this was a head and shoulder formed from the bullish move, which was in the previous structure, formed the head and the shoulder, retest the psychological support and resistance. So we're looking on breaking this, the first low of the first neckline, and then the second low breaking on the second. So we are looking on sells until here. What did the price do? So we are risking about 80 pips to get 200 pips and 239 pips. So what you can see within here, this was on a Thursday. It went very well. So trade locked. It was on a Thursday, which was Thursday move. This was just a step 100 analysis. We're looking on the sells. And then V25, V100 index, which we have analyzed just right now. We're looking on this sell. So it did well. So it went for, that is grabbing more liquidity so that it can dump the price. Then what did it do? Fell like crazy. Like these were good swings. Good swings. These were good swings until to the sell. So with this trade covers everything, even if you have lost on V25, the previous one, and V75. So this was what we covered. At least holding only this trade, that is, recovers everything. So within this, I can say we have done well. So this was the last week of November. The last week of November, we did well on, 25th to 29th. We hold the swings. So as predicted, it melted very well, bearish engulfing very well, and it did well. So V75, this was the analysis. I'll show what is happening on this. We already closed. All the TPs hit. I'll show currently market. So V75 index analysis on the 4-hour. So this was the 4-hour. Right now, the price is ranging on the support zone. Okay, psychological support, which is we're looking on the breakout from the previous high. Here, it is really trapping. It will trap a lot of people before it gets a move. So I'm patient with it. We'll see. Anyway, so looking forward, we had a good sell. I added one sell there. Still holding. This was same on Thursday, Friday. This was November. On Saturday, this was on Saturday. Previous was Friday, 30th. So we see that the price was trying now to retest. So breaking this high, it means it will go until maybe this level. So I told people this level. So instead of waiting these retest or pullback, call a pullback. So what did I do? What did I tell? We said at least on our way to TP2, okay? So trade update, close trade if it hits 1330. So 1330 was here. 1330 was here. And what the price? Price closed at break even. So current market on V100, which we did. So what happened? You can see all the TPs hit. This was the retest. This is not step. I mean V100. No, V100. Yes. No. Yeah, it was this one. So we got out here on the low. You can see what the price now it's doing. It's ranging, forming another low. All right. So as I can see here, I'll just analyze here, and then this video also I'll share on the Facebook so that people can watch. You can say this, what we can call what you can call this. We have lower low created here. All right. If you want to do well, always press Shift, and then you can click the trend line to make a straight level. All right. So here, what do we call it? Can remove this the Shift, and then here, this is called lower wick support. All right. To be broken. Not to make too much words, you can just go and then reduce the font. All right. Okay, now what you're looking at, if it breaks low, it will be very low. So right now we are out of this trade, and what you're looking at is price breaking all the way. So we are done with this, all right, because we are looking on here, all right. It did very well here. Okay, so what you're looking at is I believe you can see my chart. So what you're looking at, you can see around here, this is a W formation, okay? So if it breaks out the way you have seen, we get the candle close, bullish candle close. You can see here it has done that. It will be a change of character if only and only if, okay? Let me put some red. If we see a bullish engulfing bearish candle here, followed by another one. So it will be a good sell to the downside, but it will be a buy if and only if. These are 2 hour candle, okay? And sometimes it's good to keep on higher time frames so that you can see what's happening. All right. These are high time frame on 4 hour. Always watch from higher time frames daily, 4 hours, 1 hour, and then entry on the minimum. So where I'm combining, I usually combine number one is price action. Number two is IC, that is smart money concepts, okay? And that is the order blocks and order flow. Price action, structures, breakout structures, okay, and the kind of formation that's price action, that's it. Then the kind of volume. So what you're looking at here on the 4 hour, you can see these are doji. So the market's about to realize where it's going. So I'm not in a hurry on this. What I want to see here is a good candle, uh, bullish engulfing here. Maybe it will be somewhere, maybe somewhere here, okay, followed by the rest. So, or if it happens like that, all the price will go dumping all the way to the price high. Okay, now I leave it at that. Let me see. Let me put something here. So if it price breaks bullish engulfing, it will be a good confirmation to the top side. Okay. If it does engulfing to the downside, okay, with a kind of close, something like that. All right, bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing. So what do? You risk less, whereby the stop loss will be around here above the high on this level. If it's a sell, okay? If it's a sell, the price will be around here. Then, let me put this. It will be here. Oh, sorry. It will be all the way to the downside. All right. So it all depends what the price will do, and confirmation will help us to know what we'll do. So let me take a screenshot for my team. Okay, that's it. Remove that ones, put an arrow. Yeah, so as I can see, let me share that only. Okay, so only that. Close bar, put resume. Oh God, it's not resuming. Where is it posts? Let me see. Maybe something on top. Oh, something on top. I can put that. I'll share that. I'll share the epic display like that. I share. It'll be good. Night style like that. Okay, now with that one, what I'll do. Yeah, just a minute. Okay, so with this one, sharing the group. This V75, V25 update. Not V25, it's V100 because yeah, volatility 100 there. I can put this on quote. Yeah, so of time. Patient till yeah, that's volatility 100 update. Yeah, so I'm talking to this event about I'm sharing also to the public this overview so that people can see what we are working on, and that's it. So let's look. I'm looking also on the that is a step 100. I shared this on step 100, whereby I was seeing this step will come all the way to the low. So I shared on I hope it can be seen, Telegram. I shared about this last week on about step 100. It was this one, you can see. It was a good sell, bearish move on step index, price tapping on the fair value gap here. It was a good sell to the downside. I shared around, this was, no, step 100. Here, wow, no, that's volatility. I think I shared somewhere. Step 100, yeah, somewhere like this. Yeah, I remember. I was looking on step 100, looking on the breakout for step 100. Views V25, 75, 75, etc, etc, etc. Anyway, it was only that, as I can see. I haven't recorded. I did it. Close and I. Okay. Now, what you're liking to do to put it? You can see. I don't know if I think I shared on step. So yeah, it might come. Yeah, I think it did somewhere there. So anyway, the setup was shared, and I'll go back there. So what are we looking on this? This is about good turn up of this was a good of this. It was a good if you sold around here. I think it was somewhere on Tuesday. I said on Tuesday. That is step 100. Step 100 was this. So okay, bearish move on this as predicted bear move. This was last week on Friday as predicted anyway. Not together on that. So let me do this. So so what are we looking at now? What's the price now telling us? So already the bear move has already happened, eh? And we can see on this area, I show on this, we can see the change of character was seen around here. You can see very well and clear move whereby price went to the top side, right? Went to the top side by we tested this change of character. Okay, this is like you can call it either change of character or the breaking the high, breaking the previous highs. All right. There is no change of character here. Yes, there's no change. It's a breakout, BOS. It's called a BOS, breakout of the structure. BOS. So let me. It's called a breakout. Okay. Let me put this. This is BOS, breakout of the structure. All right. Sorry for that. So the price broke out very clearly on to the top side and then coming all the way down here and then retesting the previous what? Low. You can see here, very low, very good low. So if I prolong here, I prolong this. So you can remove this because we're already done with this one, huh? Yes, and what we do, click shift and prolong this. Yeah, around somewhere there. You can prolong it because we wanted a low. It is a low which we are looking at here on this level. So very well on this level, yes, it hasn't reached, but if it breaks out here, we're looking for buys, okay? Because the big break of structure was seen on the higher time frame. This is 1 hour, and as you can see, we are looking on the buys. So with that, you enter your trade around buy bullish, going long around here, and then stop loss be below the lows, and then aim higher for the highest rank. All right. So with here, it's always good at least to check on your trade. It might not reach, we understand this synthetic. Sometimes it might not reach this area. But when you put notification on your MetaTrader to alert you, at least the price zone is almost to reach. It will be good. All right. So this was a good buy. And let's see what happens around here. Okay. This was another low. So we can call it the break of structure around here. So it has retested. Now let's see how the candle will form. Okay. So on the higher time frame, let's look on step 100 index on 2 hour time frame. We see higher time frame. What you're saying is that the price had done the retest. You can see what it has been doing so far. All right. What has been doing so far? Highs and low, highs and lows, highs and lows. So we can see the lows have been created. Obviously, retest was done, but it had hit there. Went to retest on the former high on the higher time frame, H2, and then completely came low to this level. You can see this level. This is what we are looking at. Now the price are looking on bullish. Okay, so it came to retest here. So what we are looking at to complete the structure, breakout and retests. Okay, so as you can see, either breakout like this. Let me put some good arrow. It can come like this, retest here, went higher, then retest here. Because you're on the bullish way, kind of away, all right? So this is what we can expect. We can expect breaking the highs, eh? Yeah, and I can remove this and put something like this, all the way that, and all the way to the highs, all right? So if not, it will come by closing on the weekly low. That is maybe 4 hour or 2 hour candle. The candle close to the bottom side, breaking the previous low, this red candle. If it comes, see we retest and then confirmation to the downside. All right. So this is a good picture which I can share what you're looking at on step 100 2 hour time frame. So what am I looking at? Bias confirmation. Bias confirmation, I can say it's 70%. All right. 70%. No, 70%. Okay. Sales confirmation around 30%. Yeah, so buys confirmation 30, and then sell confirmation 30%. So let me take a screenshot and then I share to my team. The index to 100. Yeah, so you can see confirmation very well. It's still working on the buys, eh? You can see very well. This is a good confirmation. I can remove this. Buys are confirming. Buys are confirmed. This is a previous loss, stop loss. So we can look on if you see something like this. Um, what you're looking on H1, you can tag your. You can get your entry on 15 minutes. Huh? So let's go to 15 minutes. This is the per 100. Ah, this is a good sell. This is a good sell. Good sell. Good sell. It's a good sell confirmation. Yeah. So stop loss around where? So it's good at least to enter, but on a stop loss, on a long stop loss right now. But now it has already gone. It has already gone. If you have missed, you have missed. If you want to, you missed the entry. So what do you do? Uh-huh. So what you do, it has already retested here. So it might go even way higher. All right. Way high. It has already retested. I can see very well. Breakout and retests. I can see, I can write this. Here's the notes. Just for buys. This is retest for buys. Okay, so what you're looking at is if it does well. Okay, so either we look if it comes back. Okay, it comes back here. We look for buys because what it has done, it has already done this. You see, here was a store, was a kind of a support here. All right, on the resistance, what it did, it came bounce off to the support, retesting very well, confirmed here on the high. All right, went to low to break out or retest this area, went high, break the structure, confirmed, and retests, okay, to the top side. So if it comes low again, retesting this area, I can take a buy, okay? Yeah, if somewhere here, okay? Yeah, so put it well. So that comes low here. All right. Yeah, for more buys. So this on M15, step 100. Yeah, so let's look, take a screenshot. Mm. 15 time frame. Around which 8240 zone, 8240 to 8242. So so is about possibly around here. Let me see, let me see. Around here. 13 pips on 30 points. 2227. That was set. Okay. Yeah, if it comes low, well and good. If it doesn't, now wait. So we see about that. So we'll be waiting to see what happens around this area. So we turned it to unfold. You see, so let's already done. We're done with this. Swing high is around one higher time frame. This is a swing high. Okay. If I look up, we're done with this area. We test. This is just a confirmation for whatever. We did a sell, long, short, long position. I usually put it because to see what happens. The trade that I took when you're on doing back testing during the weekend. So already buys have taken place and you're already late. Don't enter yet. You wait for a retest. Yeah, on small buy. Aiming for this to be TP2. TP1, that's a high. That's the first high I did at 265. Okay. So with here it will be like previous low. Previous higher low. Low, lower low, lower low, higher low. Yes, higher low. Mm. Sawa. We'll see anyway what happens. Uh, and then now we'll look at this on VR100. We're looking at the sell setups on VR100. And I think V75, what do we see? It's still on a range. Okay, so I can't enter any trade. Number rule, these are my rules in the market. I don't enter on a ranging market, okay, or ranging market. So we have a change of character here. We have a not a change of character, previous high, which is this place where the price can hit. So we have this. This was Now these breakout structure is what we're looking on. Sorry about that. We have not change of character, it's called the break of structure, BOS. And then we have this. So we go along for this. Somewhere there. Okay, so break of structure. This is change of character. The downside, CH or CH. Okay, this is a break of structure. So on V75 4-hour time frame, okay, this is what we are looking at on a buy. So right now, we can look on this. It can come here at the high, break to the low, okay? So this was the previous before it hits now here. So what I can do is, what I'm looking at is somewhere like something like this, okay? Somewhere like this. If not now, what I'm looking at is I can delete this and do like this, breaking high, low, coming all the way to the top, then ranging, all right, breaking all the way to the top, right? This is what I'm looking at. So a confirmed buy, breaking to the top side. So a good entry will be here. And also if it breaks and retests here, maybe a stop by a small buy. If it breaks and retests with a bullish engulfing, then closing on a candle close to the retesting, which was a bearish candle on the sell, closing below, then a bullish engulfing to the top side, be a good buy to the right. So me, I'm saying more buys here, but if it breaks this low, I'm taking sales. So this is what I'm looking at, and this is the 4-hour. The daily low, 4-hour time frame. And I lock it. I hope others have locked. Others have locked. I'm looking at this. Oh, it has done very well. Wow, 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 wow. This is V25. This one is private to my members. And we can see some good bullish there move. So this is V75. I'll give entry on everything when it confirms. Okay. Yeah. So let's look on V25. No, V25. Yeah, it broke out very well coming to this area. coming to this support, which was very nice. So this was looking, you can see before what I did, this was the range. It broke out the low, so that is bringing out the structure, the price rate structure, coming to form a kind of a support here, which is doing very, very well. Yeah, forming the W pattern. This is a shorter leg, confirming, breaking, and all the way to the top side. All right, so you can see this was a good short or a good buy from that structure, a good buy. So right now what we're looking at is, I'll give for confirmation on the buys on V25, okay? I'll give confirmation very well on buys on V25. So public can see, but now entries and TPs and SLs. Members in the Telegram will get everything. So to the members who are public, at least you have seen what we do. So let me share this before before I take my announcement share, because I've already done the 1 hour. So I've shared very well to my team. So let me cancel this. As you can see, did very well. Did very well by retesting that zone all the way for buys. So these are good. So an entry can be seen on M15 very nicely. It will be well put. Good structure. You can see very well, good structure. Damn. You see now. Yeah. So awesome. So put some. Is a swing high. Swing high. BOS. This bottom. Swing low. CHOS. Yep. V25 on. Applause. Okay, this is good. So let me pause here. This will be just for the members in my Telegram. Yeah, so members in our Telegram, what I'm seeing the price, what it will do is price going higher, the way I teach you, all the way to the top, okay? or we are breaking now to the low, retest, and go to the swing low. So let me share the screenshot also so that you can see what you're aiming for. What you're aiming for. Yeah, so let's look at that. Okay, so sharing the setup in the group. Fifteen. In case you see, let me post this. Control P is what I'm saying. If you see buys, so so all members, you have seen everything. So this recording you'll get. So that's the confirmation you can see here, and that's what we'll be waiting. And as we wait on this, you can see you just have to be patient. So with 4 hour, me, I'm looking the entry on 1 hour. We'll see what will happen. So you can connect, can remove this. Okay. Yeah. So awesome. So believe now you understand. So that's the formation of what I've shared that with my experience in the market over 6 years. You know, I understand about markets, sharing concepts in smart money concepts, SMC, price action, volume analysis on the candles, and also breakout patterns. I understand them. That's what I've been teaching beginners, intermediate, and also professional. So I've launched just in a couple of months ago, people who can enter mentorship. And as you can see, let me open the e-poster so that you see everything. Yeah, so that's the thing. You can see this is the poster. So this for people who want to join Deriv. So I do only two 2 webinars per week, and analysis are sent on a daily basis. All right. So 9 p.m. is usually good. We do for a session for an hour. And then if you have question and answer, students usually come to me. So feel free to come and request how much it charges, and you'll get your value. The value is good because I'll pump you the more value. So, and we have comments and reviews also from others. I'll share it as a screenshot in our Facebook. So thank you so much, and wonderful time to see. So I forgot another thing also to share. Sometimes I was doing early trading. I'm synthetics trading, so I do sometimes live, and this is what I want to come back with. You can see here Monday to Wednesday, 5:30 a.m. So mostly I'm sticking to evening, that is 8 p.m. live trading step. Mostly C300 I want to break. I'm doing B75 index, and also volatility pairs, that is the synthetics on the volatility 25, 100 step index, 100 and 200, V75. All right, that's what I'm doing. Yeah, and if I see something in C 300, crash 300, I'll check, but I don't mostly work on that. All right, only 4 pairs, which are good. So, oh, I can't resume. I don't know why. Anyway, let me share the whole screen so that you see. Yeah, I think you can see now. So this is the update, and I can see it on the group. So join the group and come to my inbox DM, which is WhatsApp, and we'll talk from there. So thank you and have a wonderful week. That's the forecast. I believe I've shared something which is reliable to you. Share it to your friends, and then come inbox, and you can find the price for that is your value and cost of what I'm giving you. It will be in our Facebook page, and also you can DM to know more. Thank you so much and have a lovely week.